Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about time and how are you using time correctly or are you just working to work? It's easy for us to do a lot of busy work or do things or whatever, distract ourselves here and there or whatever, things like that. But the reality is a lot of times, we're doing work and we think it's moving us forward, but a lot of times it's not. And in some ways it's easier or better for us to just pick one thing and that we know like okay, what is the one thing that I do consistently that's going to make me money or get me to become successful, and pick that thing and then just build around that. And that's probably going to get you further to your goal than everything else. And I think we often do busy work or do other things to distract ourselves, or we're unfocused or the way our brain works or whatever. But, you know, for us to be productive, we really need to be more cognizant about why we're doing the work that we're doing. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.